Hello, welcome back to our channel Get Kudu Study. If you are new, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to learn about ancient India. In depth about Indus Valley Civilization. This is the photo of Indus Valley Civilization. How people used to live, architecture and all. The Indus civilization is one of the four earliest civilizations in the world, along with the civilizations of Mesopotamia, Tigris and Euphrates, Egypt, Nile, and China, Havangho. Civilization forms part of the protohistory of India and belongs to the Bronze Age. The most accepted period is 2500 to 1700 BC. It can be divided into the following subparts. Early phase 2900 to 2500 BC. Middle, mature, phase 2500 to 2000 BC. Later phase 2000 to 1750 BC. Dayaram Sahni first discovered Harappa in 1921. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro, or Mound of Dead in 1922. Nomenclature of Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization as it flourished along the Indus River. Harappa Civilization, named by John Marshall. Saraswati Sindhu Civilization, as most of the sites have been found at the Hakra Ghaggar River. The Indus Valley Civilization was an ancient society that lived mostly primarily in present-day Pakistan and northwest India, on the rich floodplain of the Indus River and nearby areas. There is evidence that people practiced religion in this area around 5500 BCE. Farming settlements begins around 4000 BCE, and around 3000 BCE, the first signs of urbanization appeared. By 2600 BCE, many towns and cities had been built. The Indus Valley Civilization was at its best between 2500 and 2000 BCE. The Indus Valley Civilization's life. Specifically, two cities have been excavated. Mohenjo-daro on the lower Indus and Harappa, which is located upstream. The evidence suggests that they enjoyed a sophisticated urban lifestyle, with several residences equipped with wells, bathrooms and an intricate subterranean drainage system. The social conditions of the residents were similar to those in Sumerian society and better than the social conditions of the Babylonians and Egyptians during the time. The social conditions of the locals were comparable to those in Sumerian and superior to those of the contemporary Babylonians and Egyptians. These cities demonstrate a well-planned urbanization system. The evidence indicates that their urban lifestyle was highly developed. Numerous homes featured elaborate underground drainage system, along with bathrooms and wells. The Melites, the men of the Black Lands, bring to Naram Sin of Agade all kinds of exotic wares. The curse of Agade, Haywood. The Indus civilization utilized a writing system that is still a mystery to this day. All attempts to understand it has been unsuccessful. This particular reason makes the Indus Valley civilization one of the least well-known of the significant early civilizations of antiquity. The use of this writing system has been discovered in a variety of objects, including but not limited to weights, amulets, copper tablets, carved stamp seals, and even pottery. The nature of the interaction between these cities is another topic of discussion. It's unclear if they belong to a bigger kingdom or were separate city-states. There is inconclusive evidence pointing in either direction because the Indus people's writing is still untranslated, and no sculptures of rulers or combat and military campaign scenes have been discovered. Decline. By 1800 BCE, the Indus Valley civilization began to decline. The act of writing began to disappear, and the utilization of regular weights and measures for the purposes of trade and taxation fell out. The connections with the Near East were interrupted, and some cities were gradually abandoned. The link to the Near East was cut off, and over time, some towns were slowly abandoned. It's not clear why this falls off, but the main reason is the Saraswati River drying up, which started around 1900 BCE. Experts say there was a big flood in the area. Potential outcomes would have severely impacted agricultural operations, rendered the economy unsustainable, and disrupted the social structure of the cities. Agriculture. It was the backbone of civilization. The soil was fertile due to inundation in the river Indus and flooding. Gaba bands and nalas enclosed by dams for storing water were a feature in parts of Balochistan. Grains were stored in granaries. Crops produced wheat, barley, dates, peat, sesamum, mustard, millet, ragi, bajra, and jowar. They were the first to produce cotton in the world, which Greeks called Sindon, derived from Sind. A fragment of woven cotton cloth was found at Mohenjo-daro. Let's study the table of decline of Indus civilization. The important and major ports of Indus Valley civilization. The last table comes about the important Harappan sites. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.